In this tutorial, we are going to learn what is the computer program and how we can start to create the computer program and what is the requirement to create a program, and it is the step-by-step tutorial where we will start to learn the C programming language from the very starting to the professional level. Before we start, we should know what is the computer program. It is nothing but the collection of instructions, and computer program is executed by computer to perform a specific task, and it is usually written by a computer programmer in a certain programming language. Some of the basic computer programs are you already use, like Notepad, WordPad, MS Word, MS Paint. They have their specific purpose, and to perform the certain operation we use the computer program accordingly. Now, what is C programming? It is the general purpose procedural programming language that is developed by Dennis M. Ritchie at the Bell Telephone Laboratories to develop the Unix operating system. It was developed in 1972. Why should we learn the C programming language? We should know that it is one of the most important language for the students or the person who is new to the programming. If you want to be a great programmer, then you must know what is C language. It is easy to learn, it is structured language, and it provides you the efficient program, and it can handle low level activities, and the program that is developed in C must be compiled before they execute, and it compiled in a variety of operating system or computer platform. Hope you got the idea why should we learn the C programming. And if you are very fresher and very new to the programming world, then you must know the importance of C. Now, as we said, program must be compiled before it executes. So what is the compiler? It is a computer program that translates computer code written in one language into another language. It is used for programs that translate source code from high level language programming to the low level programming language in order to create an executable program. So mainly we want to say the machine level language is like 0-1 format in the form of binary, and we are writing the program in the form of simple English statement. So when we write the computer program in the simple English statement, then it must be compiled to the machine readable format. So in the mediator we need a compiler. So when we write the program in our English statement, then that get compiled and created the computer readable format program that is executed to the computer, and machine executes those programs that are compiled. And we also have an interpreter. It is also a computer program that directly executes the instruction written in a programming or the scripting language. It doesn't require the computer program instruction to have been previously compiled into the machine program. Means when we write the program that use the compiler, then that must be compiled completely before it executes. But interpreter don't want the program to be compiled. It will simply start executing one by one instructions by interpreting it, and it don't require previously to have been compiled into a machine language program. This is the difference in compiler and interpreter. Our C language use the compiler in order to create the machine executable program, Other programming language like C++ and Java also use compiler, and the programming languages like JavaScript, Python, etc. uses the interpreter. What are the softwares to write the program in C? You can have the text editor that will be used to write your program in C language. Text editor can be a Notepad, Notepad++, and some other editor you can use as per your requirement. Or you can use the C compiler. We can write the source code in human readable format in the source file. Then your program need to be compiled in the machine language. Then your program can run to your computer and execute the program as per the instruction given in the code. As I said, when you execute your program, then it simply executes the instruction that is given by you. If I am saying you have a calculator program and you have created mathematical program that takes the input, the numbers, and perform the mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, then your program will run accordingly and take the input and give you the output. So that's all, and in the coming videos we will see what are the building blocks of the C programming language and how we can start further writing of code. So till now, thank you so much.